My name is Elysia English and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video. We are going to tackle a few jobs that we already started on the build and get all of those loose ends finished up, and then we're going to get to the next steps, which means we are going to tie par this whole building and start getting the siding on, which is the most amazing part, I think, of this whole project, the part I've been the most excited about to get some of the finishing touches on this build. I teamed up with Home Hardware to create one of their backyard packages. They have amazing packages available for your backyard space. You get the plans with purchase of material. You get to build these kits and use your own skills to test them out and build something amazing for your own space. So I'm building my own tiny home studio build, an all-woman build. How epic is that? I get to build my very own studio. Here's how. In our previous episode, you will see that I've actually installed the door and windows into my studio. I did this because I didn't want any collateral damage with any of the windows while I was doing the build. So I temporarily put them into their space, knowing that I would have to lift them down again and do my tie par. That's going to give me the protection and the weather barrier for water on actual around my whole building before I put my siding on. So I've lifted out this front window. I'm going to now remove the door and my other window here behind me and actually get my walls all ready so that I can put that tie par around the whole building. I'm going to use my pneumatic stapler, and I'm going to use a lot of staples, which means I'm going to go around with my gun the whole way around and make sure this is on nice and tight, and then I'm going to install these siding. A couple of pieces that I need to put on the front wall of the plywood that I'm using for the exterior, and the shape that I need for the peak at the front here is actually a really abnormal shape, and so I've taken the measurements for that area and I'm going to recreate them onto the plywood and then cut them out and hope that it fits. To put my tie par on. It's an exterior sheathing cover for vapor barrier. I'm going to use my pneumatic stapler, and I'm going to use 1/4-inch staples to be able to put this on. I'm going to use quite a few staples, so I have a few packs. I'm going to wrap the entire exterior of this building, and then I'm going to do the cutouts for my doors and windows and use the tuck tape to do all of my seams.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by, doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. If I could take you back to my youth and show you what I wish I knew, my will is strong with a place to lean. In a moment I hung desperately, the other ring on my wrist is gold, pairing with the light it holds. When I return from my skin and bones, I'm remembering the words you told me. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone.
I have been working from sun up to sundown on this tiny home studio build. If you want to check out what Home Hardware has for backyard packages, head to homehardware.ca. All of the information is in the description box down below. If you're looking at doing your own backyard projects, Home Hardware has everything you could possibly dream of for your own space. They have backyard packages available. All of the plans come free with purchase of materials. It's an amazing package set for you to be able to do your own dream projects. Thank you so much for everyone for all of the support on this all-women build, and thank you to Home Hardware for sponsoring this project. I will update you on the rest of the exterior of this project when I start working tomorrow when the sun comes back up. Thanks so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you on the next update.